Good evening. My name is Lisa Alford, and I'm presenting today my PowerPoint for Miss Etheridge, Court and Procedures 132. My subject this evening is comparing the U.S. criminal justice system to other countries. The country that I have chosen is Italy. The reason I chose Italy is because two reasons. One, I will be traveling to Rome, Italy this summer, and I've been researching foods to eat, places to go, things to do. So I just took it a step further and decided to research a little about their criminal justice system. My second reason is, if you can recall, a 20-year-old Seattle, Washington student was an exchange student over in Italy studying abroad and found herself caught up in the Italian criminal justice system. And things didn't go quite as we thought they should have gone, being from the United States. Many Americans take for granted their due process rights in the operation of an adversarial judicial system that focuses on the fairness of the proceedings and the rights to defendants, elements that do not exist in the justice system of other countries. In Italy's courts, they are involved in investigations in addition to presiding over court proceedings. This kind of judicial process would shock Americans. Criminal justice systems in America is very different than the ones in other countries. For example, the system in Italy has many different is 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 totally different than that of the United States. In the United States, a defendant taking the stand must take an oath and tell the truth. In Italy, no such oath exists. In the United States, we grant a trial by jury. We grant a trial by jury of one's peers of felony defense if they request it. In Italy, there is no actual trial by peers option. Usually, the trial is decided by a panel of judges, but for a very serious crime, there will be two judges appointed, and a, and the trial at the trial, and six citizens. The United States sequester jurors. During a trial of grand notoriety, Italy not only does not have a jury system like the United States, they do not sequester the lay judges until the deliberation phase. This means those presiding over the case are listening to the media and taking in information from many different angles. Not only the courtroom. In the United States, a decision in a murder trial must be unanimous. In Italy, the decision only needs to be the majority. In Italy, there is no informal justice system. The Italian legal system is based on the written laws. The Constitution also states that judges are subject only to the authority of the law. The legislative power has the monopoly on the production of the penal law, directly or through laws enacted under delegate power. In the United States, the criminal justice system is a set of agencies and processes established by government to control crime and impose penalty on those who violate laws. There is no single criminal justice system in the United States, but rather many similar individual systems. Who are the players within the system? The Italian judicial system consists of a series of courts and a body of judges who are civil servants. Judges and prosecutors belong to the same civil service sector, and their positions are interchangeable. In the U.S., the judge, the lawyer, the witness, and sometimes a jury. What do the different agencies and individuals within the system do? The criminal justice system consists of three main parts: law enforcement agencies, usually the police, courts and accompanied prosecution and defense lawyers, agencies for detaining and supervising offenders, such as prisons and probation agencies. Are all offenses handled the same way? I believe that they are not. I really do. I think that they're just handled totally different. Which system is better? I believe that the U.S. system is the better system because up until 1988, Italy operated on a system that is you're guilty until you are proved innocent. Here in the United States, we have always operated on the belief that someone is innocent until proven guilty. Italy and the United States are two totally different cities. I look forward to visiting Italy this summer, but I hope I don't have to use the criminal justice system.